What's popping, guys? Welcome to my channel, and this is MZ. It's a good day, a brand new week, and this is week 2 of trading my profitable strategy. So guys, I just finished analyzing gold, and I think gold is kind of like ranging or thereabout, but for today my bias is bullish. I'm bullish on gold. So let's see if the market is going to print some nice setup for me to take. So guys, let me show you what I'm looking at on the chart. So guys, right now at the moment, this is what I'm seeing on gold. I think gold is bullish, but if you look from the whole structure, like from 4-hour time frame, I think gold is in a consolidation phase, because you can see the market has been ranging from this point to this point to this point to this point to this point without breaking above 2685 and below 2627. So that is where we are stuck on 4-hour time frame. But looking at 1-hour time frame, London section was bullish, which means we are bullish. You see price break above here, and price is kind of reacting from this higher time frame zone. So what I'm waiting for is this. I'm waiting for price to come back to this area, which is a demand zone. If you trade supply and demand, I think you're going to understand this very well. Price is going to come back to this point, then I'm going to wait for some certain reaction, then I'm going to be looking for buying opportunity to the upside. I say buying opportunity. I'm going to be looking for buying opportunity to the upside. So let's see how the market is going to react from here. For now, I can't really tell, but I'm just waiting for price to react based on my analysis. Then I'm going to know the decision I'm going to take next. So for today, this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for days and days. So guys, I just took a sell on gold, and I took a sell in my stop losses here and my TPs here. And looking at the trading view, I think I'm up in profit. When price gets to this point, I'm going to break even. So let's see how this 5-minute candle is going to close. But I think there are some certain rejection here that I don't kind of like. And my system is going to switch up very soon. This is very bad, and I don't like this. No electricity. My system is going to switch up very soon. So I'm going to monitor the phone. I'm going to monitor the trade on my phone if my system eventually gets off. But let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how this trade is going to be at the end of the day. New candle just open and it's creating a wick. Assuming price gets to this point, I would have break even, but it didn't get to the point. So let's see how it's going to be. So guys, that trade hit stop loss, but I closed it manually. So the thing is this, look at the trade on the screen. This is it. Just hit my stop loss and then boom, went straight to TP. But before it got to my stop loss, I've already closed it manually. My stop loss initially was $50, but I closed this trade at $35 negative. So it's just part of the plan to cut my losses fast. So I'll come back tomorrow and see what the market got for me. Just part of the process. You take things like this if you want to be a trader. You just need to be disciplined and like show up the next day. So I'll catch the market tomorrow. I think the market did me dirty today. So look at it. I know this might not be clear. The quality I think is gonna be low that much, but on gold I missed a setup here. I was supposed to take a buy here, but boom, the market has gone up. So I'm waiting for a pullback to around this point to take a position. Let's see if the market can give me some opportunity, because when the time gets to 3 p.m. I'm not going to be on the chart anymore. Now it's 1:42. So let's see what gold is going to do. On the 5 minutes, still looking clean. Price rejected from here, and it was so quick. I think that's why I missed this move. So let's see what the market can give me for today. So guys, today is Tuesday. I didn't end up taking any trade. I was looking at the chart. I analyzed the chart. Previously I was bullish, then the market went bearish. Just like yesterday I was bullish, the market went bearish and I took a sell. It kicked me out and went straight to TP. Normal thing, traders will take this. If you can't take this, then you're not ready to be a trader. Yeah, and that's why they used to say traders are mentally strong. They have that psychological capacity to handle like difficult moments. Stress, very important. You need to be able to handle stressful events. That's what makes you a trader. So today I'm done. I'm going to come back on Thursday. Tomorrow I'm not trading. Tomorrow I make like every Wednesday no trading day, and I need to be disciplined with this. If I'm not disciplined with this, then I'm breaking my rule. And if I'm breaking my rule, my confidence tends to drop. That's what I notice. Whenever I break my rule, my confidence drop. but when I don't break my rule, my confidence increases. So it's just like belief. Anytime I stick to my rule, I add more belief of being a confident trader. Anytime I break my rule, I remove, or let's say I remove the belief from being a confident trader and add belief as becoming an undisciplined trader. So it's all about belief. So guys, I'm just done for today. I'm going to come back on Thursday. So I'm going to catch you guys on Thursday morning. No, Thursday afternoon, yeah. Thursday afternoon, I'm going to catch you guys. We still 1-0 for the week. Let's see how this week is gonna end. So what up guys, today is Thursday and I just took this buy on gold. This is the second trade for the week. So I've already executed a trade here on this Maven challenge, and right now I think I'm just up $9. So let's see how this trade is gonna be. At the end of the day, you can't really tell how the outcome of a trade is gonna end up till it's done. Let's see. I think it's a good one. Let's see how it's gonna be. I'm risking $50, but I'm still active to cut my losses if I don't like the way the setup is going to respond. So let's see how this trade is gonna run. So guys, just take a look at what happened today. Today I set my stop loss here, but price stopped me at around here. So I contacted the customer care. They told me it's a slippage. You can see from here. This is it. Let me show you on my dashboard. This is it. This is it. Yeah, I was risking $50, but before the news I adjusted it to $46. But see what I ended up losing for today, $203. And when I contacted them, they told me slippage that it do happen. That's the major reason why professional traders tend to avoid the news to manage their money properly. That's what they told me. So I'll come back next week because I'm not going to be trading today with this type of psychology. Today self, my Instagram account got deactivated, so I'll just open a new one. So I don't think my head is right at the moment because I'm pissed out. To be honest with you, I'm pissed out from all these things, but I just need to manage stress and keep going. That's the main thing. Like, what the hell? I ended up losing $200 today, which is 2% for this account, and my initial risk was 0.5%. So I lost what I'm supposed to lose in 4 to 5 trades, because most times, majority of the time, I cut my losses short. So what I'm supposed to lose like 5 to 6 trade or thereabout, I lost that in a trade because of the news. And I don't ever think I'll ever touch news again. It's best to avoid it. If I'm in a position news is coming, I'll close the small losses I have or the small profit because of this experience. I think this experience is going to stick forever because it was a painful one. To be honest with you, it's a painful experience, but you just got to take what has happened. And last year, this same thing happened to me when I was trading GJ. Last year, I think around October, I got a slippage on my phase 2 account on the 5K, and this same thing. I contacted them, they told me the same thing. So I'm not going to be trading tomorrow, Friday. I'll be done for today. I'll come back next week because right now I don't think my psychology is like stable. I'm pissed out from this trade, and I'm going to carry the same emotion to next trade because I'm a human. So I'm going to do that. So what I'm going to do best is just to avoid tomorrow, Friday, and come back next week when I've used the weekend to clear my head and be okay back. My Instagram account got deactivated when I contacted Maven Trading, and I don't know why all this is happening today. Let me just call it a bad day and come back next week. So I'm going to catch you guys on my next challenge. Right now, for this 10K account, I started it last week, and on the account I'm down 2.5%. So let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how I'm going to go with it. So guys, today's Friday and I didn't end up taking trade as I said yesterday because of what I had on CPI, like the result I had on CPI news on Thursday. I was supposed to risk $50, but I ended up losing $200. Let me say I messed up in some certain way, and it was also caused by the slippage. At the end of the day, I need to live with this result.
So I'm going to come back next week and keep on trading this 10k account for this challenge series, and I'm going to be risking 0.5% on each trade from next week. I'm still going to maintain the same risk parameter, the same trading plan and everything, cutting my losses short, doing everything, sticking to the plan, just like maintaining that consistency. I'll just come back next week and keep on trading. For this week, I took 2 trades. I think the first trade was on Monday, then the second trade on Thursday. On Tuesday, I didn't take any trade. Wednesday, I don't trade on Wednesday. So overall, I just took 2 trades for this week. If I'm losing, I was supposed to lose maximum of $100, but I ended up losing around $254 for this week, and this is the P&L. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, because I'll keep on documenting this challenge series, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next video and the next series. So guys, peace and stay blessed.